Hi everyone. Next topic is class binding. So before we start class binding, we need some basic code. So we need some classes and we need an h2 tag. So let's write that. I am writing some classes here in the styles. So my classes are dot. So I have wrote a class with color green, and next class is this is second class with color red, and third class is so guys, these are the three classes which we have created in styles. So one is of success. If our text represents success, it color will be green, and if it states failure, the color will be red, and if it is special, means that text is special, then it will be italic. So for the text I am creating an h2 tag here. Give some basic text. So for the text we should apply any of the class here. So to apply a class, generally the general method is class equal to the name of the class here. So if you save this and check the output, see, you can find this is in green color, means text success class is applied to this tag. Actually this tag contains this text. So for this text we are applying the success. Like this only you can apply all the three classes. So like this, and this is general way. Okay, this is general way, but we don't use this. We use only let me keep it to success only. We just use class binding. So before we bind a class, we need a property here. We need a property representing a class. So for that, let me create a property. So we have created a property. Now remove this and place the property here. So but this won't work. Still, if we write like this also, it won't work. It will consider the class as success class, but there is no a class with name success class. So what we should do, the same thing we done in property binding. We should place this in square brackets. So after doing this, just save this and check the output. So still our JSTech is in green color. So this works. So this is a basic class binding. So you know the general method and how to bind a class using a property there. So next thing is, so next I have a case that I want to give some boolean value. Based on that boolean value, either it is true or false, my class should be applied to my text. I will repeat the question again. Based on a boolean value, that is either true or false, my text should apply a class to it. Let me create a text and class equal to hyphen value. So this is general way. I want to do this using class binding. So for doing this using class binding, represent this, and here we need a property. So let the property be is error. So we should assign the class to a property here. Let's check the output. So okay, this is working good, this is good, but I want this to be either true or false based on a boolean value. Let's create a boolean property. For that I am creating this true. So when this is true, my text should be red. When this is false, my text should not be red. So for that, what you have to do is you represent this like this as error, and next to class we should mention the class name. If you save this, so now you can check that my JSTech is in red color. And now if I change here to false, I saved this, and you can check that this is a normal black color. So based on this boolean value, this h2 element is toggling, means either true or false. It is toggling my class value. So like this we can apply class binding also. We can use class binding to do some cases like this. And next thing is, up to now what we are doing, for a single tag we are giving a single class, but I want multiple classes to be applied to a single class. For that we should create a property which holds multiple classes, like more classes. I am creating a property named more classes, and in this you should mention the classes text hyphen success. And when this text hyphen success should be applied when this don't has any error. So has error, when has error is true, means if it is true it should not be represented in green color, but when it should be applied, if it is true, red color should be applied. So for that, opposite to the above one, this dot is error, sorry, has error, this dot has error. So if error is there, means if has error is true, this will execute and this won't be executed, and vice versa. And third one is text hyphen special. So for this, let me create another property for toggling the special property also. Public is special. So my is special property is true now. So we have created a property which has multiple classes. Now we shall apply this to our tag. Let's me create a new tag. To apply this multiple classes, we need ng class directive. We need an ng class directive. So the syntax is ng class. In this, you have to mention the property name which holds multiple classes. So let me just save this. Okay, there is some. Okay, we need to use commas here, not semicolon. We need to use, for last one it's not required. It has compiled successfully. So we can see that my special class is applied and my success class is also applied to this. So let me change something here. I have some error and I don't want to this be a special thing. For that I'll write here false. So what will happen now? Since not this dot has error, what it contains false, so green color won't be applied, but red color will be applied, and we have given is special is false, so special also won't be applied. You can see that we have got only red color as applied. So like this we can apply multiple classes using ng class directive. So this is all about class binding, and in next video we shall see about style binding. Thank you.